Hello, welcome back. Today is the 25th of June 2016. I'm here to talk to you on video number 2, or for my French people and German people before then, this is video number 2 and number 2. So, here I am to tell you about more artwork which my wife has to sell for you people from the world. Today's selection from artwork is from 2 fine artists from the northeast of England. They are from the northeast of England, where the people say, "Why I, man, why I?" The artists are David Hinge and Alfred Ainslee. What can I tell you about these artists? David Hinge, his artwork is surrealism and symbolism, both big pictures, and his pictures are framed, as you will see from the presentation. Alfred Ainslee, his pictures are not framed, but his pictures are in the abstract and the impressionism style. So, the presentation will follow very shortly. But before I do that, I have 2 facts which I must obviously spread with you people. Fact number 1. On this day, in 1963, there was a robbery in Le Louvre Art Gallery. What actually happened was a thief broke into the gallery, stole some pictures, and tried to get away. He managed to get away in his vehicle 2 kilometers. He was arrested by the famous detective, Inspector Clouseau. When Inspector Clouseau caught this person, he spoke to him and said in his French accent, "Excuse me, young thief, why did you do such a crime for the people of France? Why steal such fine artwork?" The thief, very solemn, looked up and said, "Mr. Clouseau, I am a poor man. I needed this. I needed the money and the gas to have the Van Gogh." The second fact, which I will tell you, this day, many, many years ago, I cannot say the exact year, Vincent van Gogh went into a bar. He went into a bar. The barman looked across the counter, saw him enter the fine establishment. He called him over. "Mr. Van Gogh, Mr. Van Gogh, Mr. Van Gogh, please come here. I admire your artwork. I have got you a drink because of your fine art. Please have this drink. It is free." Mr. Van Gogh looked at him and says, "Thank you very much, but I have one ear." With that, it is time for me to go. Soon you will see the next video, which will be video number 3. Obviously, I will be back. Till then, stay safe, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you again. Or you seeing me again, should I say. Till then, bye-bye.
Hello, my name's Anita Sterricker, the wife of the Bob Sterricker, and yes, I am camera shy, hence this chat. Okay, just a few things that my husband didn't mention. Yes, he tells jokes like that all the time, and don't worry, we all groan. As I am doing this little chat, you will see some more of my paintings in the background. These will be showcased in future presentations unless, obviously, someone buys them. Accept my apologies now for any mistakes like that, alright? I'm not very good at this. Okay, I can post it virtually anywhere in the world. Postage and packing is not included in the price shown, but prices are available on my Etsy site. And please note that I don't know what every country's custom and excise regulations are, so it's best to check that before you buy anything. because you may have additional taxes to pay. If you need to know any further information about me, my shop, the paintings, the artist, you can contact me on Etsy at artsforyou.patternedbyetsy.com. Click the contact button at the bottom of the page, a message box pops up, and voila, there you go, you're away. I'm hoping to use my shop as a platform for new artist work in the future. So, if you're a new artist, you're interested in either putting your work on the shop page or hopefully for me to do a presentation about your work in the future, then get in touch. I will need to see some examples of your work, and then from there we'll take it from there, yeah? Okay, that's the best I can do at the moment. But yeah, get in touch. If you would like any interesting art fact-based presentations, then again, leave a message for me on YouTube, whatever. I would love to do something like that, so let me know. Lastly, everybody says this, so I am. Don't forget, please click like or subscribe, okay? Now here we go. Presentation, David Hinge, Alfred Ainslee. Bye!